Yo guys, if Roblox is stuck loading from the website or nothing happens when you press the play button, this video will show you how to fix it. First, open File Explorer and go to your local disk C, then open the users folder, open your user folder, then go to App Data, Local, Roblox, and open the versions folder. Now open the newest version folder and find Roblox Player Beta EXE. Right click it and run it as administrator. After that, if you are using Brave browser, open a new tab and type Brave settings handlers and make sure sites can ask to handle protocols is enabled, because sometimes Brave blocks Roblox from opening through the website properly. Now go back to the Roblox folder and run Roblox Player Installer exe and wait a few seconds while it refreshes or reinstalls the launcher files. After that, completely close Roblox and also close your browser. Now reopen your browser, go to the Roblox website again, click play on any game, and this time it should ask you to open Roblox Game Client. Click open Roblox Game Client and now Roblox should launch normally again. So yeah, that is how to fix Roblox not launching from the website. If this video helped you out, then leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.